Hey everybody, today we're going to learn how to disable location precision tracking to save phone battery in Android. Constant background Wi-Fi scanning, Bluetooth polling, and satellite handshakes aggressively drain your power metrics, but forcing standard hardware positioning instantly extends your battery endurance. First, open the Settings apps. Scroll down the Primary Options menu list and click on Location. Locate the subsection block labeled Location Services and click on it. Click explicitly on the row option labeled Google Location Accuracy. Click on section explicitly labeled Location Accuracy. Click the toggle switch to turn it off so your operating system stops constantly pinging crowdsourced networks for enhanced elevation metrics. Now click the back arrow. Click on Wi-Fi scanning and switch it off. Go back and click on Bluetooth scanning and switch the toggle completely off as well. Killing these redundant background searches completely stops hidden hardware wake-ups while keeping your basic application tracking functional. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.